In today's video, we will do some of the problems based on surface area of combination of solids. So the first question is, a medicine capsule is in the shape of the cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each other, and the length of the internal capsule is 14 millimeter, diameter of the capsule is 5 millimeter. We need to find surface area of this capsule. So the total surface area of this capsule will be equal to area of both hemispherical end plus area of cylindrical portion. So TSA, we can write TSA of the capsule is equal to CSA of two hemisphere. We have two hemispherical end, one here and the other is here. So CSA of two hemisphere plus CSA of cylindrical portion. Now we know that the CSA of hemisphere formula is 2 pi r square. Since there are two hemisphere, I am multiplying with 2, plus CSA of cylinder formula is 2 pi r h. Now we will write for the cylinder and for the hemisphere what is the radius and what is the height. So for the cylinder, they have given diameter is 5 millimeter. Therefore radius will be 5 by 2 millimeter, that is 2.5 millimeter, or we can write as 5 by 2 millimeter. And for the hemisphere, the radius is diameter is 5 millimeter. You can see this portion diameter is 5 millimeter. So the radius of the hemisphere will be also 5 by 2 millimeter. Now height we need to find. The total length of the capsule is given as 14 millimeter. So what will be the height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder will be from here, you have to subtract, and this two portions you need to subtract. So 14 minus 14, this length will be 5 by 2, because we if you divide like this will become the hemisphere, and the total diameter is 5, therefore the radius will be 5 by 2. So this length will be also 5 by 2, that is 2.5. From here also you have to subtract 2.5. So 14 minus 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. 14 minus 5 is 9 millimeter will be the height of the cylinder. That means from here to here is 9 millimeter. Now we can substitute in this formula. TSA is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. R square is 5 by 2 the whole square, plus 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 5 by 2 and height is 9. So when you simplify this, we have area of both hemispherical end will be 550 by 7 plus 990 by 7, so which is equal to 1540 by 7 millimeter square. This is nothing but 220 millimeter square. So the total surface area of this capsule is 220 millimeter square. So next question, a tent is in the shape of the cylinder surmounted by a conical top. You can see a cylinder. Above the cylinder, cone is there. So it is surmounted by a cone. A cylinder surmounted by a cone. Height and diameter of the cylinder. So they have given height as well as diameter of the cylinder. Height is 2.1 meter and diameter is 4 meter. Therefore radius will be 2 meter. And slant height of the top, that is slant height is for cone. So for the cone, slant height is 2.8 meter. Since the cone is above the cylinder and both having the same base, the radius of the cone will be 2 meter. We need to find out area of the canvas that is used for making the tent. Also the cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So area of the canvas used is equal to area of canvas used is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder, curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. And curved surface area of the cone formula is pi RL and curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. All the values we have given, we just need to substitute the values. 22 by 7, R is 2, slant height is, for the cone, slant height is 2.8 and 2 into 22 by 7, radius is again 2 and height is 2.1. So you can simplify this. When you cancel, this will be 0.4 and this will be 0.3. So the CSA of the cone will be, CSA of the cone is 17.6 plus CSA of the cylinder is 26.4. So which is equal to 44 meters square, and we need to find cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So cost of canvas is equal to, we need to multiply this 44 with 500. So the rupees, the total amount is 22,000 rupees is needed for the canvas, or the cost of the canvas is 22,000. Next question, from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter. So we have a cylinder, you can see in the picture, height of the cylinder is 2.4 centimeter and diameter of the cylinder is 1.4 centimeter. So radius will be 0.7 centimeter. Then a conical cavity of same height and same diameter is hollowed out. So the cone is also having same height and same diameter. So the radius will remain same. We need to find TSA of the remaining solid. So TSA of the remaining solid is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder, CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus, so this part we got, we need to find out, it is hollowed out, so the surface area of the cylinder plus the surface area of the cone, again this base is there, so plus area of the base or area of circular base, so area of the base of the cylinder, which is equal to, so we can write the formula, TSA is equal to pi RL plus 2 pi RH plus pi R square. Now we don't have slant height of the cone, so we need to find slant height of the cone. So slant height of the cone is equal to square root of h square plus r square. So h square is 2.4 the whole square, r square is 0.7 the whole square. So 2.4 the whole square is 5.76 plus 0.49. So when you add this, you will be having 6.25 centimeter, so which is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So we got the slant height now, 22 by 7, r is 0.7, slant height is 2.5 plus 2 into 22 by 7, radius is again 0.7, height is nothing but height is 2.4 plus pi r square, again 22 by 7, r square is 0.7 the whole square. So the TSA of the CSA of the cone, so cone area will be 5.5. When you simplify this, you will be this and this will get cancelled, 0.1, so it is 5.5 plus again this you can cancel, so 0.1. when you multiply this, the curved surface area of the cylinder is 10.56 and here 7 can be cancelled, so it is 0.7 into 0.1, So when you simplify this, area of the base will be 1.54 centimeter square, and all these things you will have 17.60 centimeter square. 17.60 centimeter square. Next question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder as shown in the figure. Height of the cylinder, again height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter and base radius is 3.5 centimeter, and you have hemisphere at both the end. It is scooped out. So hemisphere radius they have given as 3.5 centimeter. We need to find total surface area of this article. So TSA of this article is CSA of cylinder, CSA of cylinder plus CSA of two hemisphere, CSA of cylinder plus CSA of two hemisphere. CSA of cylinder is, we know the cylinder formula is 2 pi RH, and CSA of two hemisphere is 2 into 2 pi r square. Now we can substitute the value 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5, height is 10 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into r square, which is equal to 3.5 the whole square. So which is equal to the CSA of the cylinder will be CSA of the cylinder. When you simplify this, you can cancel. This is 0.5. So when you simplify this, this is 220, and again 1, 7 and 3.5 you can cancel. So CSA of the cylinder will be 154. So when you add this, you have 374 centimeter square. So total surface area of the solid after scooping out two hemisphere from a cylinder is 374 centimeter square. Thank you for watching my video.